guys doing? It's Duke. Got a video here, just a quick one, by Keisho, I think his name is, 21,000 subscribers. Which engine is the best? Let's listen to it. This is for the gearheads out there. If you guys like or love the sound of engines, this is definitely for you.
That is cool. Totally cool.
Let's see. I'm going to make a judgment call too. Let's see. We got a V6, V8, V10, V12, and W16. Let's hear how they sound. Yeah. Well. I love the sound of V8s. Racing engine, like an F1 almost. I think the V8 and the W16 are my favorites. That sounds great.
Cool.
Hey, go back. Here, one more time. Turn up the volume a little more. Come on, go back. Here we go. The deadly death loop.
Bitch.
Come on, go back to it. Stuck between the V8 and the W16. V10 sounds good too, I'm not gonna lie. I think the V8's my favorite sound. Well, let me know in the comments section which one you guys think was the best sounding one. Me personally, I'd have to say the V8. V10 sounds pretty cool too, but yeah, overall, I'd have to say the V8. So, thanks for watching. It was just a short one today. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Take care.
Oh, take off your hosers. It's a Winnipeg flip!